guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have a collection of Adventure Force vehicles. Look at these really neat mighty machines. Our first mighty machine is Hornet Towing. Look at this really neat tow truck. I love all the wheels it has. It's got this really cool semi-cab. Some lights and even a tow hook that can really come out. You can go up and down, and the hook can come down too. Look, it has a lever here. This is a 6x6 construction vehicle. It's got push and go friction motor. Look at all the other 6x6 construction vehicles you can collect. There's a cement truck, a tow truck, and a dump truck. We have a dump truck here, but it's yellow. Our dump truck goes up and down too. Next, we have an Adventure Force city vehicle. It's a recycling truck. Wow, there's lots of lights and sounds and moving action on this city vehicle. It can move forward and it can lift up the can. There are lights and sounds. This is going to be a fun toy. Our last Adventure Force is a transporter. It expands to 5 different levels. It can hold up to 36 cars. Here's 1 level, 2 levels, 3 levels, 4 levels, and our 5th level. I love the bright green color with the gray. The cars can exit through the front grille. There's a ramp built right into the cabin. The transporter holds up to 36 cars, and it expands to 5 levels. It can fit all 1 to 64 scale die-cast cars. Wow, these Adventure Force vehicles are going to be a lot of fun to open. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.